Good morning, friends. Today's topic for lecture it will be on the electric vehicles, and I will be covering my topic in few subparts like what are the electric vehicles, why is there a need for them, and the steps taken by the government, the challenges, and at last the solutions. So, starting with what are the electric vehicle? Electric vehicle is the one that runs or the operate on an electric motor instead of using an internal combustion engine that runs or the generates power using or the burning of mixture of oil and gas. And these electric vehicles are equipped with batteries like lithium ion battery, which makes them eco-friendly as well and also does not produce carbon dioxide. Now, what is the need behind these electric vehicles? So, as we all know that the climate change is continuously happening and also the global warming is continuously increasing. World is facing the droughts or the water scarcity, the glaciers are melting, the ice at the Antarctica is continuously melting, and the one of the major reasons behind this is the combustion of the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The other reasons are, as India being the member of the COP26 has announced that it will be carbon neutral by the year 2070. So for that it needs to shut down its vehicles which run on the petrol and also reduce the combustion of the petroleum products and also as well as the coal. The other reason are, as the AQI level, the air quality index of various cities like example Delhi is continuously very getting poor, and it is causing a severe health disaster to the people living there. And now let's talk about what are the steps taken by the government. So government is taking various steps for the continuous involvement in the electric vehicles. Like recently the ethanol blending which has been successful, the 10% ethanol blending where the petrol will be added with the ethanol to use as the combustion fuel, and also government is aiming to achieve the 20% ethanol blending soon. The other is the FAME India mission, the faster adoption and the manufacturing of electric vehicles, under which the electric vehicles will be made, and under this program only various electric buses has been launched in the India for the public use as well. The other steps taken by the government is planning on the electric swapping stations and also the electric charging stations in the cities where the population is more than 40 lakh. And also the government is the various institutes are working on the biofuel as well as the hydrogen fuel, which will be the future fuel for the world. So now let's talk about the challenges which are coming. So very first challenge is the electric vehicles are much more expensive than the current petrol run vehicles. The other challenge is the lack of efficiency of the electric vehicles in the hilly areas where they are not able to run that efficiently as compared to the plain areas. The other challenge is there is hardly any power stations or the battery swapping stations where people can get their electric vehicles charged. And also there is one more challenge that in India the automobile companies are not coming forward to manufacture these. Like the only companies are Tata, Ola and few others which are manufacturing them. And also there is a lack of trust among the people as well, as they are not trusting the electric vehicles right now. So what can be the possible solutions or the steps that can be taken? So very first is the government should provide huge incentives to these companies which are manufacturing them, and as well as the customers to buy more and more electric vehicles. And also the scrapping policy which was launched by the government earlier, that should be implemented very soon, so that the older vehicles which are producing carbon dioxide at a very large amount, they can be replaced from the market. And also government should aware people about the climate change, the global warming, as people are still not very much conscious about it. And also the government should make as many as power stations as it can make, so that the people should start buying the vehicles as well. Thank you.